In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage HubSpot log and track settings to keep certain emails out of your CRM. If you ever feel overwhelmed by the flood of emails populating your CRM or want to ensure only the most relevant communications are recorded, you're in the right place. Let's walk through these steps together, making sure your HubSpot setup aligns perfectly with your organizational needs. First things first, open HubSpot and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, we're going to head to a very resourceful place, the trial guide. It's your go-to spot for finding all the necessary resources to kick off your form building process and more. With this, you have a library of tools at your disposal to customize and refine your HubSpot experience effectively. Now that you're on your homepage, let's move on to clicking the Settings option. The Settings area is the command center of your HubSpot account, where you can fine-tune and adjust various functionalities. Our focus today will be on email configurations within these settings. So, click on Email, then navigate to Inbox Settings. Why Inbox Settings? Well, it directly influences how your emails are organized and delivered, allowing you to streamline your email communication effectively. This step is crucial for maintaining a clean, efficient, and focused communication environment. Within the Inbox settings, you'll notice an option to preview your unsubscribe link. This may not seem immediately vital, but it's particularly useful if you send numerous emails and want to ensure that the unsubscribe functionality is working correctly. By clicking Preview Unsubscribe link, you can review and confirm that recipients have an easy path to opt out of your emails if they choose to. This not only helps in respecting your audience's preferences, but also in maintaining a positive reputation for your emails. Next, we're going to look into email logging settings. Click on this option to configure how emails are recorded in HubSpot. This setting allows you to decide which emails should be logged automatically and which should be kept out of your CRM. By tailoring these settings to suit your specific process, you can ensure that your database remains relevant and clutter-free, containing only the information that truly matters to your operations. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can take control of your HubSpot email settings, ensuring a streamlined and efficient communication pipeline. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that it empowers you to manage your CRM with greater precision. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy organizing.